Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install HDO Box on a Google TV. But first we need to do some of the preliminaries, okay? So, you need to go to your settings and enable unknown sources, okay, under security and restrictions. And next what you need to do guys is go ahead and install the downloader app. So open up the Google Play Store on your Android TV, search for the downloader app, and install it, okay? And then you just go ahead and open up the downloader app, right? Open that up, and in the URL field, you want to enter this following URL, or this to download the HDO Box APK and press the Go button, okay? Go ahead and do that, and once the APK file is downloaded, the downloader will prompt you to install it. So the app will prompt you to install it. Go ahead and click on install, and then you just need to wait for the installation process to complete, okay? And then just go ahead and launch the HDO box, right? You can find the HDO box icon in the apps menu, open up the app, and you can start streaming. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.